Hello guys, so I bought this iCube 5W from Sculpfun, and besides having already an 18W laser, I'm going to use this little machine for my entry-level workshops and small things, since it's portable and tiny. I bought this version because I think the 10W was an overkill for what I'm intending to do with this. However, I've added the air assist and the honeycomb bed because from my experience with lasers, those are a must-have, and since my work is mainly cutting than engraving, it's really necessary to have a clean cut and no flashbacks. It comes very well packed, as you can see here, and it's very easy to install the air assist kit. I had already a small project to work with this machine. It's a small wooden automata that I've prepared for a workshop with kids, and the machine came at the right time to test its spaces and figure out the settings needed to work with MDF. That, in my opinion, is the hardest wood surface to deal with in laser. On the first try, I went far out with the line interval. It's a 5W laser and you can't go this far, and it also didn't properly cut the wood with 2 passes. For the second try, I've lowered the line interval, but the lines were also noticeable and decreased also the speed on the cutting. This wasn't enough because it didn't work as well. For the third one, I went with a small line interval and that was perfectly fine, but I went crazy on the engraving speed. It was too much for this small machine, and I guess that 6,000 or 7,000 is like the maximum you should use on this setup. About the cutting part, I've added another pass and it cut perfectly, no marks, no burning at all. It was simply perfect. I'll be uploading more videos on this iCube, sharing some pros and cons, and also other projects to do with this machine. Hope you guys like it. Bye!